You're
Frank, can we have sleep on? How are you? Am I switching you? Yeah, we're bonding on top of your head. You're not in it. You're not always a part of everything you want to be a part of, okay? Okay? Yeah, you smell that nasty, hairy armpit.
Yeah.
You smell it. You put your nose in that armpit. Because you're not always involved. You think you are always in the center of everything, Trista? And it really makes me mad. I'm totally kidding. What is crazy? I cried. Did I cry today?
Why should you crazy? Because you're what?
Why did I cry today?
Did
I
I
almost
cry?
started to cry.
Did I cry?
And you're leaving me know. I'm
Trista,
drunk.
your head's in the way.
From what?
Hey, this video you.
Blacked out so drunk.
Why have I got you, baby? No.
I got really high.
At least I made it to a bed.
I made it to the whipped cream.
To the whipped cream.
That's what Tristan did to
Tristan.
Amanda Soul
Thug
Family.
life, motherfucker. Hello.
That's not what I said.
Yeah, you did. You turned around. You were like, "Thug life, motherfucker." Hello.